Who are you, truly? Who are we in the grand scheme of things? It might be startling to realize that we are all messengers of unconditional love. The message isn't that love comes to us, but rather that we are the embodiment of love itself. We are all one, a unified entity. We are various points of focus that the Creator can use to observe, process, and glean experience. Thus, when we serve others, we are essentially serving ourselves. Yet, in order to fully utilize this knowledge for spiritual growth, we need to delve deeper into the matter. Let's explore the relationship between you and those you interact with. We've established that you and all others are part of a unified creation. However, there's a paradox at play here. Each of us exists in our own universe. We are the creator of our internal cosmos. Imagine yourself as a sun, radiant and bursting with the love and light of the infinite Creator. Others too are suns, each with their own unique radiance. Just as there's a vast distance between physical suns, there appears to be a sea of otherness between each of us. Everyone incarnated in a physical body is acutely aware of this vast sea of otherness that seems to separate one from another. While this otherness is an illusion, it's also true that the sense of being different from the rest of creation was intentionally designed to foster an environment conducive for spiritual growth. In the past, the Creator experimented with creations where every entity was aware of the truth of unity. However, it was found that when entities were fully aware of their true identity, they lacked the motivation to seek further. Thus, the veil was introduced, obscuring our awareness of the unitary nature of all creation. This veiling was found to enhance the learning environment of our existence. In our current creation, we are veiled from the profound realization of our identity with everything that exists. It's as if we're living in a body that acts as a barrier, a defense, and certainly a limitation and demarcation between us and the rest of the world. This is the paradox of our existence, the simultaneous truth of our unity and individuality, and the purpose of the veiling that separates us.
Who are you really? When you peel back the layers of your personality, your desires and ambitions, who is that being at the core? And how does that being relate to the world around them? These are questions of self-identity that we all grapple with in our own ways. Imagine, if you will, existing in a universe where you are obscured from the awe-inspiring realization that you are one with everything. In this universe, your body acts as a barrier, a limitation, a demarcation between you and the rest of existence. When you interact with others, it's akin to two celestial bodies gradually drawing closer, careful not to collide, but navigating around each other with caution. Yet, within each of us lies a yearning, a desire to foster harmonious relationships with others. We seek peace, mutual affection, and a sense of tranquility when we reach out to another person. How you perceive yourself significantly influences how others perceive you, even though it's a subconscious process. Your actions, body language, speech, facial expressions, and even the look in your eyes communicate to others in ways that are beyond your comprehension when you gaze at your reflection. The image that others see when they look at you is not the same as your self-perception. You'll never truly know how beautiful or unattractive others find you. You are ensconced within your own opinion of yourself, and while the opinions of others may occasionally challenge your fortress of self-perception, they can't tear it down. Your self-perception is your creation, your universe. There comes a point in the journey of self-discovery when you decide to dedicate your life to the service of others. This decision, this moment of choice, changes how you perceive yourself. You create an expectation, a hope, a goal. While you may not fully comprehend what this service entails, your intention is set. Your ship now has a rudder, your star, its orbit. You've created a beacon of hope in your universe. Metaphysically speaking, this decision marks the transition from spiritual immaturity to spiritual maturity. It's a sign that you've taken yourself seriously enough to dedicate your life to serving others. You become a magical entity, aware of your true self to a greater extent than anyone who hasn't made this choice. Following this decision, there may not be an apparent difference in how you serve others, but there is a difference to you. You've taken responsibility for seeking out resources and tools to help you serve more effectively and skillfully. In essence, you've started a race, a marathon, a lifetime commitment of service to others. It's a journey of moving steadily, running a straight race with God's good grace. In summary, our journey of self-discovery is a complex process, deeply intertwined with our decision to serve others. Our self-perception shapes our interactions with the world around us, and ultimately, our decision to dedicate our lives to the service of others is a profound step towards spiritual maturity and self-realization.
The power of love.